morning children. How you all are? Hope you all fine. Okay. In the previous class we started exercise 3.2. In that A Roman completed how to find the HCF by finding all the factors. It was completed. Now how to find the HCF by prime factorization method. Now let us learn it. See the first one in that. Find the HCF. Find the HCF by the prime factorization method. By the prime factorization method. Find the HCF by prime factorization method. Okay, see the numbers what they given for us. 49, 77. 49, 77. First number 49, 77. First find the prime factorization for 49. 49 you can see prime factorization means the factorization only done by the prime number. So 7 7 is 49. 49 can be written as 7 into 7. Next is 77 prime factorization. 7 table 7 11s. So 77 can be written as 7 into 11. To find out the HCF, first you have to circle the common one. Which was common in these two? 7. So HCF equal to that common one. 7. If it is two numbers, you have to multiply and write. Yes. See the next one. 20 48. 20 48. Second one. 20 48. 20 48. See the prime factorization of 20. 2 tens, 2 5s. 20 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5. Next 48 prime factorization. 2 24s, 2 12s, 2 6s, 2 3s. So 48 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, they are asking us to find the HCF. How we can find the HCF? By writing common ones. 1, 2. Anyone more common? No. 2 numbers only common. What is that? 2 into 2. What is 2 into 2 children? 4 is the HCF. 4 is the HCF. See the next one. 40 56. Okay children. Next one. 40 56. Third one. 40 56. Write the prime factorization for 40. 2 20s, 2 10s, 2 5s. So 56 prime factorization. 2 28s. Next 2 14s, 2 7s. So now write the prime factorization of 40. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So next 56 prime factorization. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. They are asking us to find the HCF. How you will find the HCF children? By selecting the common one first. Which are common? 3 times 2 is common in all. So 2 into 2 into 2. Nothing but 2 2s 4 4 2s 8. 8 is the answer. Okay. See the next one, Nana. 70 to 90. Fourth one. 70 to 90. What is the prime factorization for 72? 2 table, 2 36s, again 2 table, 2 18s, 2 table, 2 9s. 9 is not possible in 2 table, only it is possible in 3 table. 3 3 is 9. Okay, now write the prime factors of that number 72. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 90 prime factorization. 2 45s, again 5 9s. 9 can be written as 3 3s. So So 90 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So now you have to write which are common in those two. To write the HCF, you have to find which are common in those two. Okay? 2 one time, 2 times 3 into 3. That's only common remaining or not common. Yes or not? So 2 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18 is the HCF. 18 is the HCF. Okay? See the next one, Amma. 14, 28, 56. 14, 28, 56. Third one. 14, 28, 56. 14, 28, 56. 14, 28, 56. 14, 28, 56. Write the factors of 14. 14 factors. 2 sevens. 14 can be written as 2 into 7. 28 factors. 2 14s. 2 sevens. So 28 can be written as 2 into 7. Next one, 56. What are the prime factors of 56? 2 28s, 2 14s. 14 can be written as 2 sevens. So now write the factors of 56. 2 into 7. What are the factors of 56? 2 into 7. Okay. Now write which are common in these three. What is the HCF of these three numbers? Which are common in all? 2. 7 also common in all. Yes, no? So simply 2 into 7. 2 sevens 14. 2 sevens 14. See the next one, 12, 48, 72. Sixth one, 12, 48, 72. Write the factors of these numbers. Okay, how you will write factors of 12? 2 sixes. 6 can be written as 2 3. So 12 can be written as 2 into 3. 48 factors. 2 24s, 2 12s, 2 6s, 2 3s. 48 can be written as 2 into 3. Next one, 72. 72 prime, 2 36s, 2 18s, 2 9s, 3 3. Then if you do regularly, you will get the idea how to do. Okay, be practice when you are doing, then only you will get easily one after the other factor, or else you can't get it. 2 into 3 into 3. Now we have to write the common one. Which are common in that you have to select. For example, 2. Next 2 also common. 3 also common. Not there any common one in both. So write HCF as 2 into 3. 4 3s. 12 is the HCF. 12 is the HCF. See the next one, Amma. 7th one. Next, 42, 63, 84. 42, 63, 84. 42, 63, 84. Okay, right. Prime factors of 42. 2 21s, 3 7s, 21. So 42 can be written as 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, next 63. How you will write the factors of 63? See, 3 2s, 3 1s, again 3 7s. 63 can be written as 3 into 3 into 7. Next 84. What are the factors of 84? ones, 3 sevens. Okay, now write the factors of 84. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Now we are writing HCF. How we will write the HCF? By circling the common prime factors. Common prime factors in those three numbers. Which are common in those three? 2 and 2 here not there 2. So 3, 7. 3 into 7 is common. 3 sevens 21 is the HCF. See the next one, Amma. 24, 72, 90. 24, 72, 90. 24, 72, 90. First 24 prime factors. 2 12s, 12 2 6s, 2 3s. So 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 72 prime factorization. 2 36s, 2 18s, 2 9s, 3 3s. 72 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Last one more number, that is 90. 3 30s, 2 50s, 3 5s. Okay, now write 90 as 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. To write the HCF, we have to select the common one in all. 2 is common in all the numbers. So, circle 2, that means join 2. Next, again 2, in both 2 here not there. So, next 3 is there in all. Okay, HCF is 2 into 3. 2 3 6 is the HCF. 2 3 6 is the HCF. Like that we can find the HCF of a number by finding them in prime factorization. Third one also they given like prime factorization only, but you do the third Roman in division method. Now I will tell you how to write the sum in division method. Okay, not prime factorization method. The C Roman you do it as division method. See the number, first one 225 315. 225 315. Children, already we learned factors method, prime factorization method. Now we are going to learn the division method. Okay, see 225 divides 315. 2 2's 4, so it exceeds 300. So one time only it is possible. Yes, na? 225. 5 minus 5 0. 11 minus 2 9. 90 divides 225. 9 2's 18. So 180. 5. 12 minus 8 4. 45 divides 90. How many times it divides? 45 with 9. 45 2's 90. Reminder 0. Here HCF is 45. Why we are writing 45? Because this 45 divides the number without leaving the remainder. So that type of number is HCF, not quotient number. Only that number as HCF. See the next one. 490 540. 490 540. 490 with 540. 4 2's 8, so it exceeds one time only it is possible. 490. 0 14 minus 9 550. 50 divides 490 again. You have to divide this number with that 450. 490. 5 9's 45. So 459's 450. Remainder 40. Again check, is this 40 divides 50 or not? One time only it divides us, na? So 40 1's 40. remainder 10. Again check, is this 10 divides 40? Yes, it divides 40. So now you can write HCF as 10. HCF equal to 10. In the next class I will say the remaining sums in division method. Till then, goodbye.